Hi, it's Emily Goebel, Chief Marketing Officer of Brainiest AI. We're going to zero in on what does AI do for a business. For businesses, AI offers numerous applications and benefits that can enhance efficiency, productivity, and decision-making processes in your business. So we've got a nice little chart here that shows some types of business functions as well as the AI application for them. So as you take a look at this chart, I'm also going to talk about how businesses can leverage AI for some different purposes, so not necessarily the function. AI can be used to improve customer engagement. You've seen chatbots, I'm sure, and virtual assistants that can provide 24/7 customer support, and that enhances customer experience. I'm sure all of you have experienced an AI chatbot that frequently lets you know it is, in fact, AI on many, many popular websites. You can use AI for data analysis and insights. Because AI can process large volumes of data quickly, it provides valuable insights for better decision making. So you can gather data on, customer insights and reviews, and be able to use AI to synthesize that information for you, and then help you write scripts in order to give some of those customers feedback. You can use AI in process automation. AI can automate repetitive tasks that increase efficiency and reduce human error. Again, there is the human element, of course, in setting all of this up, and that includes the automation. You can see it in human resources, in automated recruitment and employee onboarding. You can also see it in like emails, marketing, nurturing campaigns can be automated and use AI for that process. AI can be used for personalized recommendations. I am certain everyone is very familiar with this. If you have ever been scrolling on your phone or on your computer and an ad pops up and it's for something that is incredibly relevant to your life right now, things you've been doing searches for, something that is related to another item that you've purchased. AI was probably a part of this process in getting those relevant ads to you. And large businesses, particularly those who are involved in the forefront of cutting edge technology, have been using AI for a long time. That's why this concept is not unfamiliar to you. It's simply that we are hearing more about AI right now because it has been opened up to more of us to use and to train these models. So with those personalized recommendations, AI can analyze customer data and then offer personalized product recommendations and that targeting marketing, which you've been seeing for many, many years now. It can also be used in enhanced cybersecurity. So AI-powered tools can monitor systems and detect potential security threats. You are probably all very familiar with ChatGPT. If you haven't used yourself, you've heard about it. Um, so this is a compare and contrast to how something more generalized, like ChatGPT, would be used, as opposed to something like Brainiest, which is much more specific, has been narrowly trained to get marketing tasks done for you. And in some cases, sales and some other parts of this as well. So Brainiest AI is a comprehensive online marketing platform. It's powered by AI, and it's for businesses serious about their marketing. There are many AI models on the market now, all of which excel at different things. That goes back to the idea that they were all created for different purposes and trained in different ways for certain things that those engineers or researchers or companies or governments were more interested in. Some models are better at handling rewrites or generating more complete text from shorter prompts, and some are better at image generation. In all cases, you as a user would need some sense of prompt engineering. That is an understanding of the correct way to phrase your inputs into the model to get the desired output, result, generated content from it. Brainius applets are curated to pair the purpose of the applet, so what you want as your generated result, with the best model for the output. So we think about what that model was designed for and what it does best. And then we pair it with the applet that is a specific task where you would want that kind of generated result. You need little to no prompt engineering with Brainiest, although we do guide you a little bit through some of that process and ease you into it a little. We are specialized for marketing content, unlike ChatGPT, which uses one model for broader, more generalized uses. So let's talk about some specifics in terms of marketing techniques and how AI might be able to help you. So here are a few cost-effective marketing techniques because small businesses, medium businesses, heck, businesses in general, they have budgets, right? So we need to be mindful of those. And some common techniques include social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, local SEO optimization, and partnerships with other local businesses. AI can actually help you with all of these in some way, shape, or form. So for social media marketing, the goal is that you are driving brand awareness, which means you need a logo, a brand voice, a brand guide. Different AI models are out there for imaging to create that logo and the writing content to keep your tone of voice. You'll also need content like additional images, captions, and hashtags. AI models are very good at generating those too, some of them. Social media platforms are also a really great place to interact with and engage your future and current customers or clients. So it's not simply about what you put up out there. Social media is about having that conversation. So your responses to their criticism and gratitude for their praise are actually even more important than the likes, fans, and follows you have. Brainius has applets to analyze customer feedback and to respond to it. Second one on the list, content marketing. That includes blogs, videos, podcasts, maybe ebooks. There are many AI models that are adept at writing blog posts with the right prompts. But you need to know all the components of a post. And in addition to the actual blog post, you'll need long tail keywords, a summary, a featured image, a meta description, and a search engine optimized title. We offer all of that at Brainiest. AI isn't so advanced with video yet, but we do offer a video script applet and a number of text to voice options for narration. That's also something that there are different AI models out there for, is mimicking the human voice. Number 3 on the list is email marketing. We have an applet to create a promotional email, plenty of things for subject lines. You'll want to keep your brand voice consistent in that as well. And we also have a product description applet, which can be really important in email marketing and making sure people understand what your product is. Number four on the list is local search engine optimization. That means you are findable to people in an internet search. We have the SEO analysis applet that I've mentioned before. We also have long tail keywords. Blogs can be really, really key in pulling people onto your site and boosting that search engine optimization. And of course, all of the different content created that can be placed on there outside of blogs is also really important for increasing that. So we have plenty of applets for that. And you can definitely, obviously, use different AI models for each of those components. And then finally, there is partnerships with other local businesses. Now, I know it seems like maybe AI couldn't help you there, but in fact, it can. We have an applet that is for finding industry influencers. Many of them will be found online. That information is found online. It is probably useful to you if you're a small business for it to be localized. And we can help with that with that applet, narrowing it down to people in your geographic region. The other great component of this is that you will have built a brand within there and a brand voice and a brand guide, and that will give you a more solid sense of who you are and the other types of businesses that you should partner with that align with those business values and kind of your business personality as well. So we have over 50 applets. Here's an example of one of them to help guide you through creating a customer persona, which helps you identify your target audience. This will help you think about which target audience you're zeroing in on with a particular marketing campaign or sale. So note the different tabs here. These identify the key information you need to know about your business for each marketing task. Our applets help take that guesswork of prompting out for you. We prompt you with what knowledge you need about your business or that is recommended for each marketing task. And that would be no different than information that you would need yourself to be able to correctly prompt an AI model. And they are also the same types of questions that if you hired a marketing consultant, you would be expected to provide. But you get to do it in your own time frame and learn as you go along and see how all of that information informs the marketing tasks that you need to do. You can also see what sort of information you would need to be prompting into an AI model to do this. Also, on the back end, our customized coding prompts the model that we've already paired with it for the best possible results. And that back end coding helps you get an even higher quality content that is specifically designed for marketing and for your particular business. And it comes out in the type of format that you need. So if you need a press release, the content that you generate in our press release applet is in the correct format to be able to send that press release out on the wire to other contacts. You don't have to go research that either. Although we do have a great research option with Get an Answer as one of our applets. So you can do a lot more marketing research, AI research, anything else you want to do in that area. And that applet is actually what helped me research for this kind of presentation and a lot of our other ones. The content that you create from Brainius applets is not generic. It's not like what you would get with a lot of other models. It's very specific to your business and your personal needs. You can also redo it as many times as you like. We don't have a token system. Changing the inputs and refining as you learn more about your business, your customers, or your desired customers. Our applets teach you about marketing and a little bit about AI prompting as you produce real results that are necessary for your business operations. It's a bit like taking a very customized marketing class where your business is always the example. I hope you've learned a lot today. Thanks.
Bark, bark.